Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sashrik Rajesh. Welcome back to another live trading video. So I took this trade around Monday and I held it till Thursday expiry, which was almost 4 days. And I'm telling you guys, there's a lot to learn in this video because most of the time market was against our direction and still we managed to book a profit of almost 6% of my capital. So make sure you have your time to watch this video. Maybe take a notebook because I'm sure you guys are going to learn something from this video. Other than that, I don't want to waste much of your time. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Enjoy the video. I'll see you in the outro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another live trading video. So again, it's been a long time since I filmed a live trading video and here I am. So I'll just explain the logic first. I still didn't take any position. So basically, the market has been following this trend line for a really long time, right? And now it's in the same region. So right now, I'm seeing whether to take a bullish trade or a bearish trade. The reason I started this recording right now is because of an important point. Many of you will have a problem of choosing which side to go in a trend line, right? So, for example, if you take it here, there's two choices. Either the trend line can break down, the market can break down or the market can reverse. In this case, it reversed. But how do you know it's going to reverse, right? Why haven't I already took a position right now? Because anyways, it's reversing. It reversed almost 3, 4 times. So why didn't I take a position? So there's two factors to see in this, right? The first thing, if you go to the option data, I know it looks very complicated, but here's the thing. I can make a separate video on how to read option data, but here's the gist of it. The calls are on the left side and the puts are on the right side, right? And we need to look at this based on option sellers. So, do you guys see that a lot of volume is over here and very less volume is over here? What does that mean? It basically means that sellers are more active than buyers, even at 44,000, which is over here somewhere. 44,000 is somewhere here. And I saw this a few hours ago. This was around like 40 or something, and now it's 50. So people are interested in buying closer to the money options, right? So this is one factor. But still, am I confident that the market's going to go down only based on this? No. So what I've decided is if I open the pivot points indicator, there's a line here, right? So here's the deal. I'll take the Fibonacci tool. I'll consider the recent candle, right, which gave a huge move, this candle. I'll connect the latest low, latest high to the latest low, right? So basically, if this gives me a closing above zero point 0.6 with a proper green candle, I'll be interested to go long. If I consider this high, it's over here. No, I mean, this is a bit too much. So I would consider this. If it gives me a closing above this, in even the 5 minutes time frame, I'll add my first set of quantities, right? But if it gives me a rejection from there, I'll wait for this level and then take a make sure the market takes a retest and then gives me a red candle. So this is my idea. So basically, if it gives me a closing above this region with a strong green candle, I'll be taking up a position. So there's almost 4 minutes left. So this is what I wanted to show you guys on how I decide whether I need to go bullish or bearish, right? So that's about it. I'll update you guys when I take up the position. All right, guys. So like I said, right now it's about the 0.6 level, if you see it. So I'm comfortable to take a position now. So let's go with this, right? All right, so I took the first set of quantities right now. Now I'll be waiting for a 15 minutes time frame close. So there's 5 more minutes left. And once that's done, I'll be 100% sure where this market is going. And then I can add my next set of quantities, right? So let's see how this trade goes. I'm trading after a long time. Uh, so yeah, I'll update you guys when I take up the next trade. Hopefully, you guys got the concept of how I decide whether I'm bullish or bearish, right? So, yeah, I don't need to summarize it. Hopefully, you guys got it. I think I'll see you guys when I add the next quantities, which will mostly be after this candle closes in the 15-minute time frame. So, see you then. So, all right, guys. So this looks like a clear bullish candle. If you guys check this out, there's like small wicks in the top, but it doesn't matter because it made such a huge body after this much fall, right? So yeah, I'll be taking up this next set of quantities. All right. Now, yeah, I just need to manage the trade. My stop loss is over here. I sold this strike price 43,600. So as long as the market is above this level by Thursday, I'll be making the entire money, right? And let's see how much we make. So it's 152.225. So it's 152.225 minus 51.375, 51.375. So 100.85 multiplied by 50, because that's my quantities. Okay, from this trade, we can potentially make 5,042, right? I'll also be planning to add one more set of quantities, but again, that depends on the market. And yeah, I'm not really going to be fully into that. I can add it whenever I'm comfortable. Maybe when, for example, or let's just check it out. Yeah, maybe when this pivot is broken or something like that, I'll add the next set of quantities. I'm not really thinking of that right now. Mainly it's managing this trade. So this is my stop loss below this pivot. And yeah, anything above 43,600 is what I'm going to get. My stop loss money wise is 2% of my capital, so 2,000. Yeah, let's see how this trade goes. If nothing interesting happens in the market today, I'll update you guys tomorrow, right? So see you guys then. All right, guys, I'm taking up the next set of quantities. I'll tell you guys why right now. So here's the thing, right? I was going through the market and I saw this trend line which it's been following from today, right? So it's been creating lower highs now, and this is the 1 minute time frame, right? So if you go in the higher time frame, 15-minute time frame, this is how it looks. So it's been creating this lower high format, right? So there's right now a breakout from that region. That's why I'm adding the next set of quantities. Why did I go in the 1 minute time frame to see it? Because usually what I've seen is if you wait for like 5 minutes or 15 minutes, and when you're expecting a huge breakout, you usually miss the candle, right? So that's why I went into a very, very low time frame. Even in the lower time frame, in the 1 minute time frame, you can see that the market was never able to break this level, right? And finally, it did break. So that's why I added my next set of quantities right now. So how much can we make right now with this? So it's 143 point whatever. Um, okay, so this multiplied by 75. Cool. So we can basically make 7,128 and my stop loss remains the same, which is 2% of my capital. Um, Again, should be the market should be above 43,600. Uh, so now basically I'm gonna chill for some time, manage this trade, listen to songs and stuff, uh, till it comes. So I'll maybe put an alert somewhere here, right? So till it comes to this level, my trade is chill no matter where it goes because option selling, right? There's no pressure in it. Even if the market comes still here, I don't really care unless it breaches this level. That's when I need to take a decision. So till then, I'll be chilling. If there's nothing interesting, I'll update you guys tomorrow on what happened to the market. If the stop loss hits, I'll update you guys on that too. So far in any of my live trading videos, no stop loss was hit, which is good. But if it hits in this one, I will surely post this video. Yeah, guys, I'll update you guys tomorrow when the stop loss hits. See you then. All right, guys. So it's day two, May 23rd. So it's around 10:30 right now. And let's check how our trade is going. Okay, wow. So yesterday I updated you guys somewhere here, and the market took support from the 200 moving average and then it went up, took one slight rejection, and it closed there. Today, there's a gap up opening and it actually broke this trend line, which is favorable for our trade. And our stop loss is somewhere here. So our trade is going pretty well. So by expiry, if this level is maintained and if this level is not breached, we'll be getting the entire amount. So right now, we're at a profit of 3,400. That's about it, guys. So our trade plan worked. Uh, I expect the market to break all-time high right now. I would add some quantities here, but I'm already in a good quantity size, so I don't want to add more because of risk management and stuff. This is an important point because maybe even when your trade is going in your favor, you might want to add more quantities. But here's the thing, anything can happen in the market, right? So what if there's one sudden red candle again, which comes here? You'll be in loss. Why to like go through that stress? So decide all your quantities before and act according to your plan, no matter where the market goes. So I'll just time lapse this thing, and if there's something interesting happen, if there's something interesting that happens, I'll update you guys then. So see you guys then, or I'll update you at market close. All right, guys. So it's Thursday around 12:12. And so I couldn't update you guys on Wednesday because I had to go out and I had like a function to attend. So Basically, what happened on Wednesday was that the market opened gap down. It took a rally on the first half to the upside, and then it rallied down to the downside. And now we are somewhere here, and it almost came to our uh, strike price, which is 43,600. So right now, if you check our position, we are just at a loss of around 800. So, so yeah, what we're going to do is when it came around here, we were at a loss of like 1,300, 400. So what we're going to do is basically manage the position. So right now, if there was a bearish move and now there's a bullish move starting. Just a quick thing. How did I maintain my calm and not exit the position when I saw like these kind of candles here? So if you guys see, India VIX is 3% up, which is a bullish sign for the market. And we're also at an important support here. That's the second point. And the third point is if I look at the global markets, like for example, if I look at the US market, the US market also had a down rally, and at the second half, it recovered back, right? So these 3 points kept me in the trade. And right now, our position is around 1,000 rupees loss. So yeah, I'll be updating you guys in a bit. All right, guys. So it's the final. It's almost 3-5. So I'm planning to exit my position now when this comes to like 2 or something, 2.5, 2.8, around that. So it was a very, very interesting market. It was a roller coaster, right? Because most of the time the market was below our level, but I trusted in the price action. I trusted in global markets and everything. And finally, this boom happened around uh, 2 o'clock. So in just 1 hour, the market moved almost 0.5% and it came above our level. And this is our profit right now. So it was worth it to hold the trade for this long to manage this entire thing. Because when I updated you here, I was at around 1,000 rupees loss. Here it became 1,600, 700. Here it in fact became 2,002. But I'm like, no, I'm anyways getting around 7K. So I'm ready to risk 2 to 4%, right? So yeah, so I'm ready to risk 2 to 4%, right? So that's why I'm like, okay, it's a 1:2 risk to reward. If I lose 3K, I'm going to gain around 6K, which is happening right now. So I'm like, okay, fine, let's give it a shot. So I kept my stop loss below this pivot, and then the market just rallied. So it was very good to see. Uh, right now, should I just wait for 2 or should I just exit now? Hmm. I'm Everyone wants that number, right? That 7K, if it hits, you will feel good about it. Should I just wait for that or should I exit it? So this move was huge, so I don't want to like deal with the pullback. So should I just exit? Should I just exit? Yeah, I'll probably exit the trade. All right, guys. So we made around 6K, 6,000 or almost 7K, right? I didn't want to like deal with the pullbacks and stuff because this is a very long move. So there will be a pullback, obviously. And my selling level is right here, so I don't want to risk it. So this is the power of option selling, guys. I just want to show you guys that quick. Uh, where we bought it somewhere. Where did we buy it? So we bought it somewhere here, right? If you guys remember. And look at where the market is now. It's below that level, and still we are at a profit of 6,810. That's the power of option selling. Uh, yeah, so I'll meet you guys in the outro. Thank you so much for watching. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. So I'm sorry for people who want to see a detailed video on how I live trade, but this live trading video was purposely made between 10 to 20 minutes because I want everyone to get a flavor of how trading is and how people manage their positions. So that's why I'm trying to fit the video under 10 to 20 minutes. So if you guys like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. If you want more such videos like this, comment it down below on what video you want. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.